Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by Zoetis. Whether you call it bovine respiratory disease, BRD, shipping fever, or cattle pneumonia, it's a problem. Zoetis helps provide BRD solutions and expertise for every stage of cattle production. When an outbreak occurs, Zoetis has a full lineup of antibiotics to get it under control quickly and get your cattle back on feed. Visit brd-solutions.com for the full lineup of antibiotic products and insights from Zoetis. While the beef cutout has shown some seasonal pressure, declining nearly $30 a hundredweight or 7% since the start of the month, it remains at historically high levels. Continued smaller production and strong demand will keep beef prices elevated, as high prices will be used to ration the limited supply. This should be supportive of other proteins as consumers look for alternatives to fill the gap from less beef. While this is being seen with consumption expected to increase for the other proteins, from a demand and price standpoint, beef is still clearly at the top. Chicken prices have been relatively elevated through the first half of the year, but since mid-June have trended lower, losing about $16 a hundredweight or 16% in total, and just over $8 in just the last week. It is still unclear how deep the downward move will be, but prices are back to where they started the year and may find support at these levels. The turkey market, on the other hand, has moved steadily higher all year, more than doubling values according to the Urner-Barry Index and pushing into all-time highs in the past month. The pork cutout has been more sideways lately, running about $25 a hundredweight, above where it started the year and holding above the highs it reached in the past 2 years. These moves for poultry and pork markets appear to be more a factor of production and supply trends rather than demand. Year-to-date, broiler slaughter is running about 3.3% stronger than year-ago levels, tracking to be record large, making for ample supplies. Meanwhile, turkey slaughter is down 3.7% year-to-date and is 7.6% below a 5-year average, as production is still well behind the normal levels before avian influenza. Tight supply seems to be the main driver, though demand ahead of Thanksgiving has likely accelerated the move lately. Pork production is running about 1.3% smaller for the year in total and about 3.2% below year ago since the start of June. When accounting for the smaller production, pork demand is stronger than year-ago levels, but just near a 10-year average, not showing exceptional levels like the beef cutout. With cheap corn and the price levels today, all the poultry and pork industries have seen profitable margins for the year. This should encourage production growth over the next few years, which will be necessary as consumers look to supplement the cyclically tight beef supply. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.